Let's simplify the rational expression t cubed minus 8t squared plus 12t over t squared minus 7t plus 6. Okay, I need to factor both the numerator and the denominator. So we have t squared minus 8t, t cubed minus 8t squared plus 12t. I notice right away that all three terms have a common factor of t, so I will factor that out first. I'm going to divide t out of t cubed and get t squared. Divide t out of negative 8t squared and get negative 8t. Divide t out of 12t and get 12. Okay, now I'm going to try to find two numbers that multiply together to be 12 but add together to be negative 8. Okay, numbers that multiply together to be 12 would be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. If I add those each together, none of them quite add up to be negative 8. But this is the closest one, 2 and 6. So what I'll do is use negative 2 and negative 6. Those multiply together to be at positive 12, but they add together to be negative 8. So those are the numbers that I want. This factors as t times t minus 2 times t minus 6. That would be the numerator. T times t minus 2 times t minus 6. Okay, to factor the denominator, t squared minus 7t plus 6, I will look for a common factor first, which I don't have any. So the next thing I would do is try to find two numbers that multiply together to be 6 but add together to be negative 7. Okay, well, 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Those are options that multiply together to be 6. Let's see what they add up to. 1 plus 6 is 7. That's not good. 2 plus 3 is 5. That's not good. 1 and 6 were the closest. The only thing wrong is the sign was wrong. So I will change their signs. I'll use negative 1 and negative 6. Those multiply together to be positive 6, but they add together to be negative 7. So we have t minus 1 and t minus 6 for the denominator. Let me write that up here as well. Okay, so now let's see what cancels. T minus 6 over t minus 6 would cancel each other out, right? They divide each other away. So that becomes t minus 2, all over t minus 1.